Hello my friends, so we've learned in the previous class how and when to use the verb to be ser, and today we're going to talk about the verb to be estar. Okay, so we will do the same as we've done with ser. Let's take yo estoy, I am. The first example here, yo estoy sentado. It means I am seated. Yo estoy en mi casa. I am at home. And yo estoy cansado. I am tired. The first example, yo estoy hablando. I am talking or I am speaking. Yo estoy triste. I am sad. And certainly we need to know the conjugation of the verb estar, as we've done with ser. Okay, so the verb estar with yo estoy, tú estás, iría usted está, nosotros, nosotras estamos, vosotros, vosotras estáis, ellos, ellas, ustedes están. So these are our important examples. So the question is, when do I need to use the verb to be estar? Okay, first condition, when you are talking about your physical position. For example, you want to say that I am seated. So you say yo estoy sentado. Okay, or for example, you want to say that I am lying down. You will say yo estoy acostado. Okay, and the second condition is when you want to talk about your location. For example, you want to say I am at my home. So you'll say yo estoy en mi casa. I am at my home. Or you want to talk about your location at university. You want to say I am at university. So you will say yo estoy en la universidad. So the third condition is when you are talking about how you feel at the moment. You say, for example, you want to say that I am tired. So you say yo estoy cansado. Yo estoy cansado. I am tired. And for example, you are okay and you want to say I'm okay. You say yo estoy bien. It is the same when someone asks you in Spanish, how are you? ¿Cómo estás? So when someone tells you ¿Cómo estás? You will say estoy bien. Okay? The fourth condition is when you are using present continuous. So in Spanish language, when they use present continuous, they use the verb to be estar. Yo estoy hablando means I am talking. I am talking. And for example, you say that I am playing. I am playing right now. You would say yo estoy jugando ahora. Yo estoy jugando ahora. Okay. And the last condition here, when you are talking about your feeling, what are you feeling right now? You are sad, happy, or what? So you use the verb to be estar. For example, yo estoy triste. I am sad. Okay? Or for example, you are happy. So you will say yo estoy feliz. I am happy. So this is the end of estar, and I hope you understand all that I have said. And the most important thing that I want to tell you is please memorize only the examples that I've given you here, or which I've given you when I was talking about the verb to be ser. So by just memorizing these examples, you will understand completely when to use estar or when to use ser. Okay, and let's just jump to the few words that we've learned today. We've learned today sentado, I am seated, in mi casa, at my home, and we've learned cansado, tired, and also hablando, I am talking, and the last word is triste, sad. So this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.